robot with a body temperature like a living being. This is a robot with individuality, capable of simulating affection. What the science fiction writers of the past century dreamed of has become a reality, and this reality is called Loit. Machine learning and artificial intelligence algorithms enable Loit robots not only to memorize people, but also to respond to their actions. For example, if you tickle the robot, it will laugh. Loit is sold for $3,300. A subscription will be required additionally. Robotic cats and dogs have not been overlooked either. For example, a sitter will feed the cat, play with it, allow the owner to observe the cat's activities, and send a message if anything happens. Such a robot costs $120. The dog counterpart is called Buddy Plus, and in addition to everything else, it can launch tennis balls. And because of that, the price tag has risen to $326. The Grillbot robot amazed the audience at the tech exhibition back in 2014. However, it continues to sell well because it performs an important, albeit not very pleasant task: cleaning the grill grates. The owner simply needs to place Grillbot on the grates and press a button. The robot takes care of the rest. Grillbot can clean one grate in up to half an hour. In the current version 3.0, the robot is priced at $125. In the TechCrunch publication, the device called Clickbot was dubbed one of the coolest robots. It is not surprising, given that its design was assisted by animators from Pixar Studio. Moreover, its capabilities are impressive. Thanks to Clickbot's modular design, it can easily transform from a walking robot to a wheeled one, a manipulator, or even a snake. The basic Clickbot kit is sold for $450. The Humanoid robotic arm, developed in South Korea, is equipped not only with a camera featuring artificial intelligence algorithms, but also adaptable for various tasks. Modules for 3D printing, cutting, engraving, and object gripping are supported. Additionally, users have the option to create custom modules. The arm extends up to 39 centimeters and can hold objects weighing up to 750 grams. In its top configuration, including cameras and multiple modules, this South Korean innovation costs $3,000. Has the next Mars rover arrived for testing? No, it's a robot pool cleaner, but it's the world's first robot of its kind that drives itself to recharge. Its 9,800 mAh battery is enough for cleaning 180 square meters. Developers have also integrated ultrasonic mapping into the robot. The cleaner costs about $800. A robot table that brings slippers, transports freshly laundered clothes, and helps set the table for dinner. This technological marvel called Kachaka has rolled out from Japan. Kachaka can carry up to 20 kilograms and understands voice commands. The robot with a 3-tiered shelf costs $1,720. Additionally, there is a monthly subscription fee of $7. The idea behind Neath AI is incredibly simple. Why buy multiple robots for different tasks when you can have one versatile one? This robot successfully wipes the floor, vacuums, waters plants, walks pets, and solves many other tasks. Teaching it all of this is so straightforward that even a child can do it. So the robot is marketed not just as a household helper, but also as an educational tool. In addition, the robot has good autonomy, lasting up to 5 hours on a single charge. The robot is priced at $260. This robot is so similar to the Minion from the Despicable Me movie that developers even created a version in yellow. However, this robot won't engage in villainy. It is busy with something more important, monitoring its owner's posture. The thing is, standing rather than sitting at a computer is becoming increasingly popular. However, it's important to stand correctly, and this robot will assist with this. If you stand incorrectly, it will roll its eyes and explain what's wrong. You can purchase the robot for $120. The French Robot Tech 800 is designed to assist firefighters. It can reach speeds of up to 12 kilometers per hour and carry up to 800 kilograms of useful load. It can work with various equipment, from fans to stretchers. The robot can cover a distance of 22 kilometers on a single charge. How do you feel about a masterpiece of horological art? Bazar robot clocks are assembled from 618 components and astonish from every angle. Firstly, they weigh more than 8 kilograms. Secondly, the clocks have two faces, one rather cute, the other somewhat creepy. And thirdly, these robot clocks cost about $63,000. Do you know that every time you go to sleep, you are not alone? Scientists are confident that about 350,000 colonies of bacteria live in your bed. But there's no need to panic because Cleansebot is here to help. It is the world's first bacteria-killing robot, and it won't give microbes a chance, using 18 sensors and 4 UVC lamps. On a single charge, the robot can work for about 3 hours, and it can clean not only beddings, but also other items, from carpets to smartphones. The Cleansebot is priced at $126. The world's first autonomous tennis assistant Tinbot is what developers are calling it. This robot collects tennis balls at a speed of about 40 balls per minute and stores them in its built-in container with a capacity of 80 balls. One battery charge lasts the robot for approximately 5 hours. Additionally, Tinbot is quite compact, making it easy to fit into a car trunk. The robot is available for purchase at $2,600. From a robot dog to an all-terrain vehicle with a manipulator, the Ugo Robotic Kit allows you to assemble up to 7 basic robots. Its advanced features enable these robots to recognize obstacles, respond to gestures, and understand voice commands. If desired, you can even communicate with the robots, as the kit supports ChatGPT. The top Ugo Robotic Kit is available to buyers for $550. In 2019, Heineken produced more than 24 billion liters of beer. In other words, Heineken drinks are frequent visitors on store shelves, but the Heineken Beer Outdoor Transporter is an exclusive experience. Everyone who wanted to get it was asked to leave an application and hope for luck. The robot is a wheeled fridge that follows its owner, ensuring they always have a cold drink at hand. A robotic exoskeleton Sportsmate 5 for sports and outdoor enthusiasts. Sounds unusual, but developers are confident that people will buy it even for $900. The thing is, this exoskeleton can not only reduce, but also increase the load. If the user wants to work out their muscles properly, they activate a special mode, and the exoskeleton provides resistance up to 10 Newton meters. When it comes to home robots that can keep you company, robotic startups used to offer mostly cute but almost useless home robots. The Buddy robot from Blue Frog Robotics stands out due to its open-source nature, allowing every owner to customize it, teaching it new skills. Buddy can also detect falls among the elderly and alert their relatives or medical professionals. Recently, however, most startups have shifted their focus to more mobile robots, specifically robot dogs. But nowadays, leading companies are concentrating on creating more mobile and agile robots. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video did you like the most. If you found something new and interesting in this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also, check out our previous videos. See you later.